What's up everyone? Today we're making salted egg. If you've ever had a dong, you've tasted the delicious saltiness this egg brings to any dish. But what most people don't know is just how easy these are to make at home, as long as you follow a few simple tricks from my dad. Also, thanks to Warby Parker for sponsoring today's video.
Hello 朋友們，有啲人用鴨蛋嚟做，咁樣我哋咧就用雞蛋做，因為我哋未必個個容易買到鴨蛋。雞蛋咧，你要買啲最大隻嗰隻雞蛋，佢嘅蛋黃比較大啲嘅。好啦，我哋而家咧先將啲雞蛋嗰個洗佢。
We're going to gently rinse 12 large eggs in a bowl of water here.
係咁過，係咁要過佢咧喺度。我哋而家做鹹蛋嘅目的就想食蛋黃嘅啫。
You might be wondering, what can I do with a salted egg? Well, salted egg and its yolk, ham dan and ham dan wong, in Cantonese, is a centuries-old Chinese ingredient that is used in countless Chinese dishes, including dong, steamed pork patty, congee, mooncake, and more recently, the popular dim sum item molten egg custard bun, or lao sa bao. While the main attraction is the yolk, you can also hard-boil the egg for certain recipes. Nowadays, the sweet, rich, and salty goodness of the salted egg has grown in popularity so much that you can even get your hands on some salted egg chips or ice cream.
過水之後咧，我哋再有啲醋落去，浸一浸啲雞蛋佢。我係用3個湯匙嘅醋落去，將啲水同啲醋同混合咗之後，將啲雞蛋浸落去。個目的就係咧個殼咧浸軟咗一陣間先，佢又容易啲將啲鹹味吸入去。
Now we're going to let the eggs soak in the vinegar and water for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, we'll prepare the curing ingredients.
我而家要做咩咧？我係用3個湯匙嘅鹽落去。
We're using regular iodized salt here, but feel free to try different kinds of salt, like kosher salt or Himalayan pink salt.
我先落3個湯匙嘅鹽先嚇，然之後咧落酒係用40度以上嘅酒，3個湯匙。
Here, we're using rice wine that's at least 40% alcohol, which will help kill any bacteria on the egg and also help the salt attach to it. Speaking of attachments, these are my new glasses from Warby Parker, the sponsor of today's video. Since I've worn glasses basically my whole life, I get particular about the look and quality of my glasses, and I was pretty amazed at Warby Parker's classy selection of eyeglasses, sunglasses, contact lenses, and even eye exams. Having shopped for glasses online before, Warby Parker takes a lot of the friction out of the process with their famous home try-on program, where you can order 5 pairs of glasses to try at home for free for 5 days, and there's absolutely no obligation to buy. It ships free and also comes with a prepaid return and shipping label. They also have an award-winning iPhone app that uses augmented reality for a virtual try-on, so you can basically sample their entire inventory to narrow down the glasses you want sent to you.
Carlton, I'm not mad. You look more mature. Are you gonna start a startup? You look like you're going in the Matrix.
Genuinely, Warby Parker has by far one of the easiest risk-free online shopping experiences that I've ever had, and their glasses start at just $95, including prescription lenses, and they look just as great as eyewear that's a lot more expensive. If you're interested, you can try 5 pairs of glasses at home for free at warbyparker.com/madewithlau. Clicking or using the link in our description helps our channel specifically, so thanks for your support.
好啦，而家咧試下啲保鮮紙先嚇，保鮮紙一塊包一隻蛋。咁大細塊得啦，總之能夠包住隻蛋就得啦。好啦，而家啲蛋就經過啲醋浸咗之後咧，我哋一隻隻咁攞出嚟啦。咁乾咗先嚇，咁乾佢。好啦，我而家就係同大家睇下點樣醃包呢個蛋啦嚇。啲蛋首先喺啲酒度，呢啲係酒，淋濕隻蛋之後咧，就擺落啲鹽個碗嗰度。咁咪索啲鹽咯，然之後咧啲保鮮紙咁包住佢，捲住佢啦，就係咁啦，係咁簡單啦，就係咁啦。
We'll repeat these steps to cure the rest of the eggs. First, we'll dip the egg into the rice wine, making sure it's on all sides of the egg. Then we'll roll the egg into the salt, creating a thin layer of salt all around the egg. Then we'll wrap it in saran wrap, twist the ends, and place it back into our egg carton. Let's see if it's really that simple.
唔使大塊，小細塊得啦。擺喺度，睇乜酒，浸過晒啲酒有過晒佢，啲擺落呢度。碌住佢 ，yeah good yeah 擺落呢度 ，yeah 打橫咁，係啊，碌埋兼埋佢，係啦，你拎起佢，兩邊扭埋佢，yeah 攞緊佢，yeah 攞緊佢呢邊就係 Yeah，good，good，good，嗱，擺喺度就係咁簡單啦。Okay.
While Daddy Lau finishes curing the rest of the eggs, I also wanted to make a special shout out to thank all of our wonderful Patreon supporters for helping bring this video to life. If you enjoy our videos and are interested in supporting us directly, head on over to patreon.com/madewithlau to learn more.
咁完全包好，俾啲鹽同埋將包好晒之後咧，冚住佢，就係咁啦。仲有咩咧？用支筆寫上個日期喺度，寫咗個日期喺度咧，咁你咪知道咯。4個禮拜以後，咁你就拎出嚟得㗎啦。俾個膠袋入住佢。你唔好擺喺啲高溫嘅地方。
可唔可以擺喺一個櫃？
都得，而家開始天氣轉涼咗，都唔緊要。如果係天氣太熱嘅咧，最好就擺地下，近地下嗰啲角落頭嗰度得啦。你可以唔踢得到佢，唔搞得到佢得咯。
After 4 weeks of curing, here's what the eggs should look like.
呢隻醃好咗㗎啦，我揼俾大家睇下先嚇。係嘛？呢隻蛋黃啦，醃好個鹹蛋就係咁啦，睇到啊？睇到？擺4個禮拜咁上下啦，就好㗎啦。如果擺太長時間咧，個蛋黃咧會散咗嘅。你想食擺耐啲咧，你就打開佢，攞隻蛋黃一個個咁樣包好佢，擺喺個 freezer 嗰度。呢個蛋黃就可以保存耐啲。鹹蛋就係咁做好咗啦。希望大家中意，祝大家成功。
YouTube thinks you'll like this recipe next. Let's see if they're right.